Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do division in Vedic maths. We will explore powerful techniques that simplify complex calculations, making division much faster and more intuitive. You'll discover how Vedic methods can transform your approach to numbers, offering elegant solutions for various division problems. We'll cover two main sutras, Nikhilam and Parivartya, each designed for different types of divisors. The Nikhilam Sutra is incredibly useful when your divisor is close to a base like 10, 100, or 1000. First, find the complement by subtracting the divisor from its nearest power of 10. For example, if dividing by 9, the complement is 1. You then perform a series of additions using this complement, transforming division into a simpler sequence of multiplication and addition. This makes calculations much quicker and less prone to error. Now, let's explore the Parivartya Sutra, which is perfect for divisors that aren't conveniently close to a power of 10. This method involves transposing and adjusting the digits of your divisor. You essentially change the signs of the digits in the divisor's complement, then proceed with a modified division process. It's a powerful technique that expands your Vedic division toolkit, allowing you to tackle a wider range of numbers with ease and precision. Practicing Vedic division regularly offers significant benefits. You'll notice a remarkable improvement in your mental calculation speed and accuracy. These methods aren't just for division, they build a strong foundation for understanding numbers more deeply. By consistently applying these techniques, you'll develop greater numerical intuition and confidence, making complex math feel much more accessible and enjoyable. It's a powerful way to boost your overall mathematical proficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.